For secure shingles, follow the roofing nail pattern thumb rule precisely to keep the roof intact in wind. Start by aligning each shingle so the manufacturer's nailing line is visible and level across the roof. Use 4 nails per shingle as the standard for normal exposure roofs, and add 2 more nails for a total of 6 in high wind zones or steeper slopes to distribute uplift forces. Choose hot dip galvanized or stainless steel ring-shank nails in coastal or corrosive environments because they resist rust and hold better under cyclic loading. Drive nails straight and flush with the shingle surface without overdriving, which tears the mat and reduces holding power. Space nails evenly along the nailing line, typically 1 per tab on multi-tab shingles, to keep loading symmetric and avoid split edges. When using starter strips and ridge caps, follow the same nail type and placement strategy, placing nails at least 3/4 of an inch from cut edges to prevent splitting and allow sealant to bond. Homeowners and installers often undercount nails, assuming adhesive will compensate, so always meet or exceed the 4 nails per shingle rule and add nails where code or exposure requires more. Another common issue is driving nails at an angle or overdriving, which weakens holding strength. Correct this by switching to a properly adjusted pneumatic gun or hand-setting nails with consistent, firm strikes. Fastener corrosion causes long-term failure in coastal areas. Avoid that by using stainless steel or a proven high-quality galvanized ring-shank nail and replacing suspect fasteners during re-roofing. We run BigHomeProjects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find projects that match their skills and availability. We also host a discussion community where we, our users, and contractors exchange installation tips, local code notes, and real-world feedback on roofing practices.